Monday. So we both just got back from Nona. We're headed to get brunch and then get groceries after to get a good start to our week. No walking. Thank you. So, my list. I think the only thing I didn't get on my list is the cold brew. Not sure if they have that here. No pizza today. For some smoothies. Candy cane marshmallows. I did try. Okay. It's really similar. I've had this one before. You can get that for you.
That can, that was gone in like 20 minutes, man. Thanks, man. You're welcome.
Fun fact, we bought this last time, and when my brother came over for Christmas, he ate it all, and Juan didn't get to try. Sour about that?
Do we get another bag for this one?
Thank you. No. Alright, we're back home. So now it's time to put the groceries away. And I decided I'm going to give you guys a little haul of what we got. right, here is our grocery haul for the week. This is my dog, Argos. Say hi, Argos. Speaking of which, I found this at Trader Joe's. High five. Good. Huh? Good. Gentle? Yes, good boy. You like it? Yeah. Alright, quick walkthrough. So today's grocery haul was kind of simple because we already had meat at home. So what I did is I just went out vegetables to make dishes for the meat that we already had in the fridge. So this is my fridge's current state. We'll see what it looks like when we're done putting it all away. Potatoes. It's time for dinner. I'm so tired. What time is it? 6:30. Hopefully this wakes me up. Cheers. Let's go. Oh, it's so hard to put this when I have glasses. First order of business. So the first thing we're gonna do is prep. One of my favorite parts of cooking is the prep. I think I like the prep more than the actual cooking. That's just me. So let's do it. Ain't nobody like you do. So you just cut this core out, just like that. And then you see on the other side, core is gone. It's just beef for beef stew. Saves me time. I don't gotta cut it. Alright, put this on the stove and then I'm gonna just let it parboil, get all the impurities out, and I'm gonna prep my veggies. Gotta have the rice. I'm back. So I let the meat boil for, let's say, a couple hours. So we're gonna check on it, see how it's doing. Looks like the water reduced some. So I'm checking right now is if it's, checking to see if it's fork tender, because that's what we want. I can easily fork. Oh. Yep. I can easily just break it off. Looks like it's almost ready. We're back. I added the green beans and cabbage. Here she is all done. Just get one last stir. And then obviously, Filipino, we're gonna eat it with some rice. Bon appetit. Dinner is served. I made a fish sauce, chili peppers, and pepper.
What do you call a Mexican with 3 eyes?
Ay, ay, ay.
Probably saw that one.
Yeah. Did I send that to you?
Alexa, tell me a dad joke.
How did the dad justify buying the boat?
How?
There was a sale.
Whatever.
Get it?
Like, he justified it because there was a sale.
I said,
Oh! Okay. You win. The dogs also have their dinner.